Skoda is working on a 7-seater SUV that might hit the market in 2026, and the Vision 7S concept is one of them. The Vision 7S will be Skoda's best car. It will use the same MEB electric platform as the Enyaq EV, the Volkswagen ID.4, and the Audi Q4 e-tron. Skoda says the concept's 89 kWh battery provides it with a range of more than 373 miles, 600 kilometers, but charging times are pretty standard. Skoda says the 7S can charge at 200 kilowatts, though its Korean rival can charge even faster. The 7S's design is dominated by 7 vertical slots in the front and back bumpers, which make it resemble Bane from The Dark Knight Rises. Maybe Skoda's designers looked too long at Jeeps on their mood board. If true, this concept will be realized and sold to the public. Maybe it will be one of the unique and much-loved electric cars because the appearance of this car is quite attractive for years to come. The information we get is only recent. For further information updates, we will upload it after an update. Don't forget to subscribe.